Hello everybody, it's Carly from cookingwithcarly.com, and today we have another Crumbl taste test, although this one will be slightly different because last week I was bit by the Brownie bug, and so my taste is not quite there, not quite what it has been. I haven't really been able to taste things for like the last 4 days, but it is starting to come back just like the teensiest, tiniest bit. And so I'm just going to taste and tell you what I taste. Hopefully, maybe Crumbl will be the magic that my body needs to be able to taste everything again. But I'll tell you what I can tell you. Texture, consistency, temperature. It's pretty much what I've got lately. But we'll talk about the cookies, and if you try these cookies, go in the comments and tell me exactly how good they are. I'd really appreciate it, and I'm going to save some of these, put them in the freezer for when I really can taste. That way I can recreate them down the road. Hopefully sooner rather than later. But that is all that I have to say. And also stick around until the end and I'll tell you what cookie we're doing this week. Or will be published tomorrow. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, here we go. Weekly cookies. They look so good. Like, so good. Okay, let's talk about them. By the way, this is Crumbl's 4th birthday week. They've been open for 4 years, so happy birthday, Crumbl. You make people's life happier. Okay, so this one is the peanut brittle cookie. It is an original base, so like their milk chocolate chip cookie base, but it doesn't have chocolate chips in it. It just has peanuts in there, and then it's a peanut butter mousse topping with peanut brittle on top. I can smell peanut butter. We're making improvements, people. This is the Funfetti Milkshake cookie. So it's a Funfetti cookie with a cake buttercream frosting and some whipped cream on top. I'm really excited about this one. I love Funfetti anything. And then next we have the Brownie Batter cookie. So this is a chocolate cookie with like literal brownie batter parts in it. So like it's part cookie, part brownie, basically. So excited about that one. And last but not least, it is the original featuring the golden Oreo. So it is the original base cookie, so just the same as the peanut one. But there's white chocolate chips in this. It's a vanilla cream cheese frosting with golden Oreo crumbs and a mini golden Oreo on top. So here we go. Let's start with this. Oh, what should I start with? I feel like I know I'm going to be able to taste the peanut butter one, so I want to do it last. Hold on, let me get some water. Okay. Funfetti first. Chopping off my head, I'm getting too excited. All right, the break. So this one's chilled, and it's actually chilled this time. I put it back into the fridge when I got home. Nice and thick. Can't smell a dang thing. Come on, flavor. You can tell it's sweet. The texture is really good. Like, it's nice and chewy. Oh, I can get a little bit of like the cake batter flavoring. A little bit. I kind of wish there was more frosting on there. Not very much, but that may have just been like my cookie. I can definitely taste cake batter. So I like this one right now. I'm gonna save it. I'm sure I'll like that one. The golden Oreo. Somebody told me that this was literally the best cookie that they've ever tasted. So we're gonna give it a whirl. Nice and thick, and you can see there's peanuts in there. Not peanuts. There's no peanuts in this. Guys, my brain. It's the white chocolate chips. Okay, I can get a little cream cheese. From what I can taste, it's good. I like the fluffiness of the cream cheese frosting. And like the cookie itself is like pretty dense, but it's like really chewy, which I really enjoy. It's not thick, like dry at all. It's very moist in my mouth. Okay, the brownie one. So it looks mostly like a chocolate cookie to me right now. Like, you can tell like that part was the brownie. Okay. I'm gonna taste this guy. Come on, chocolate, I've missed you. I can get it. It's rich, I can tell. The texture is really good. Like, I can definitely tell that there's part brownie texture and part cookie texture. I'm getting like a dark chocolate flavor in my mouth, I think. Oh, I haven't tasted chocolate in so long. That's good. I'm a fan of that, mostly because I can taste it the best. Okay, peanut brittle. I'm pretty sure I destroyed that frosting. Pretty sure I'm gonna be able to taste the peanut butter in this. So this one has the peanuts in there. Peanut brittle on top. I wonder if I can taste that. I can taste that, barely. The frosting is very fluffy. It is a mousse. It's not sticky at all, which I feel like you usually get with peanut butter stuff. That one's good. I think that one's really good. I think I would really like that. From what I can taste of it. It's good. The cookie, again, it's not dry at all. It's really nice and soft, chewy. I actually think this would be really good chilled. I don't know how the peanut brittle pieces would hold up chilled, but overall, that one's good. I feel like this is a really solid cookie week, which makes me sad because I want to eat them. I'm gonna save these though, for sure, so that I can make the recipes in the future. So comment down below and tell me which cookie was your favorite, which one you want me to recreate, and I will do that just as soon as I can. I promise. I am so tired of not baking. I just want to get back to it. So hopefully within the next few days, I'll be there. And tomorrow's video is the pumpkin chocolate chip cookie. We did it. I did it last week while I was sick. But I mean, I didn't feel that bad. Just, you know, was not 100%. But I filmed it for you. So get ready. Everybody was wanting it, so there you go. It's coming tomorrow morning, the pumpkin chocolate chip cookie recipe video for you. Okay, see you next time. Bye, guys.